Hello everyone, welcome to my channel TechRags. In this video, we are going to see what is JSX and how to implement JSX with React. So JSX is a special syntax introduced in React.js to write elements of components. It is syntactically identical to HTML and hence it can be easily read and written. Code written using JSX helps in visualizing the DOM structure easily, but the browser does not understand JSX code. This gets converted to JavaScript using the plugins of the Babel. So let's understand how this internal conversion works. This is the official website for Babel. You will get better understanding of JSX syntax from this JSX converter. Here on the left hand side you can write JSX and on the right hand side it will convert to JavaScript. So let's create one HTML element and check its corresponding JavaScript syntax. So here I have created one div element. When Babel converts above code to JavaScript, it makes use of react.createElement, as you can see here in the right hand side. This method accepts three parameters. The first one is name of the component. In our case it is div. The second parameter is attributes of the component. Here it is null because we haven't provided any attributes. The third parameter is children of the component, which is hello JSX. Now let's provide attribute to the div tag. So here in the JS you can see the second parameter is now label instead of the null. Now let's implement the login component using JSX. Function login. Return JSX from this component. I am creating one form. Inside this form I am creating two input elements. And one button element. Submit. And let's give one header for this login page. So h1 Here it is, login. So this is the conversion of JSX to JS code. You can observe from this code that you need to write more lines of JavaScript code to implement this login component. The code looks difficult to understand and hence productivity goes down. That's why JSX has been introduced in React to create elements that are very easy to read and write, which makes the component code simple and understandable. This technique is a replacement for writing pure JavaScript code and hence enhances productivity. When working with React components, you need to render multiple React elements. For example, you can see here this login component includes multiple elements, but as per the JSX syntax, all the adjacent elements must be wrapped in an enclosing tag. That means there should be only one outermost element. So here you can see form is our wrapper element. If I remove this form, I will get error saying adjacent JSX elements must be wrapped in an enclosing tag. Let me show you. See, I have just commented the start of this form element tag. Still I am getting the error like adjacent JSX elements must be wrapped. Now we'll see JavaScript expression in JSX. So JavaScript expressions to be evaluated should be wrapped within curly braces. For example, h1 tag. So I have one variable named count. So if I need to evaluate that count variable, I need to wrap that count inside these curly braces. Let's see the example for this one. I have created this project repository for React project. So I am just modifying the app.js file for this project to show you how JavaScript expressions works. Just removing this whole part and writing my own code. So let's declare one variable saying count is equal to 5, and here inside h1 tag you can show that count variable enclosed in the curly braces and save this file. Now go to your terminal and run your application. I need to traverse my application and then npm start. So you can see here 5 is coming because I have just given count inside my h1 tag. Now let's modify our code. So we can also use arithmetic operators saying count multiply by count. Let me enclose it in the p tag. And save the file. Yeah. Now you can see here arithmetic operations also work with the JavaScript expressions. So there are other scenarios also where we can use JavaScript expressions, which we will see in the upcoming videos. So stay tuned for more React.js videos. Please do like and share this video and subscribe to my channel TechRags. Thank you.